It was a bit hard. Okay, so what was the exact difficulty you were facing, Zainab? Zainab and Shaima, please just give me your feedback. Proper exact feedback. What exactly was the difficulty that you faced so that I can help you with this? You've lost the paper. Zainab, do you have the question paper? Shaima, please do not lose these papers. They will be helpful. Yes, Jobata, I remember. That's why we are having this extra class, especially for you and one more student. I think Jesslyn also is having exams soon. Because vectors isn't over. Even if the vectors part is done, then that will be helpful. I'll arrange your class on Saturday also. I have to check my file. Okay, Zainab, check your file. Whenever you have time, you can check your file afterwards. So unit vectors, let us quickly complete it. See, what is this Cartesian system? Cartesian system is a way of writing. Now, we have discussed that we have three: I cap, J cap, K cap, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, depends upon the axis. Okay, Shaima. So paper was lengthy also. That's why I want to see the paper first. Then only I can make conclusion. Jobita, once the paper is done, please share it also and let me know your feedback. How was the exam? See, for example, if a force is given as 3 I cap plus 2 J cap minus 4 K cap. So this is how the vector is written in Cartesian form in terms of the x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis. So A1 becomes the coefficient of I cap, which we call as component along x-axis. So let's say the real vector was A, but its component along the x-axis is something which is A1. And since this is along positive x-axis, we are using the term I cap. So that's why this is A1 I cap. Similarly, A2 is for component along y-axis and A3 is component along z-axis. Now class, calculation of magnitude. How do you calculate the magnitude? Under root, take the coefficient of I cap, square it, plus take the coefficient of J cap, square it, plus coefficient of K cap and square it. This is how you calculate the magnitude. See, I have told you two terms are there whenever you are discussing vectors. One is the magnitude, second is the direction. We'll come to parallelogram law. We have left the law in between. We have just seen its derivation. I just want to complete this is a very short topic. Then we'll come to parallelogram law. Magnitude and derivation, direction. So magnitude is calculated in this way. Suppose I want to calculate the magnitude of the symbol. This also I have told you that when modulus is put along the vector, that shows its magnitude. So under root, what is the coefficient of I cap here? 1. So this becomes 1 square plus coefficient of J cap minus 2. So this becomes minus 2 whole square plus coefficient of K cap. This is 3. So this becomes 3 square. Now see, I have 1 plus 4 plus 9. That is equal to root 14. Fine. Now, if I have to calculate the unit vector, suppose I have to calculate the unit vector. So I have told you how to calculate it. Remember, for the unit vector A cap, you take the vector as it is and you divide it by its magnitude. So here, what was the vector? I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap divided by its magnitude root 14. Okay, Zainab. Thank you, Zainab. I'll just see it. Write it till here, class. See class, this question. I cap minus j cap. Yes, very good. Root 3. Directly it would be root 3. Very easy calculation. See, this is 1, 1, 1. So when you square it, look, under root, I cap is 1 plus j cap is minus 1 plus k cap is minus 1 whole square. This becomes root 3. This is the first part. When you are calculating the unit vector, answer for 1 is root 3. 1, not 1 by root 3, Jasleen. Why 1 by root 3? Only root 3. But when we are calculating the unit vector, we take the vector as it is and divide it by its magnitude. So what's the vector? I cap minus j cap minus k cap divided by root 3. So you can write this as I cap by root 3 minus j cap by root 3 minus k cap by root 3. So this is the unit vector. I cap minus j cap minus k cap by root 3. Correct. Very good. Quickly write this. Then let's see addition and subtraction. Quickly. see, when we are having the addition and subtraction, very easy way we have. Just add the I cap terms together, add the J caps coefficients together, and the K caps coefficients together. So A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3. Or if you're subtracting, then just subtract these. So you just have to focus on the coefficients, like these two examples. When we are adding, we'll just add it. So it will become 5 I cap. When we'll add it, this becomes 9 plus 2, 11 J cap. This is minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 K cap. So basically, if we are adding this, E plus F. So this is 3 plus 2 I cap plus 9 plus 2 J cap, then plus 3 minus 1 K cap. So this is 5 I cap plus 11 J cap plus 2 K cap. Or if you are subtracting this, E minus F. So this would become 3 minus 2. Same thing, same coefficients you will take. Plus 9 minus 2 J cap. Plus this is 3 minus minus 1. So this becomes K cap. So this is I cap. This is 7 J cap plus 4 K cap, like this. Write it and answer this question. Write it first. Okay, Shaima has answered. See, add both the vectors and find the magnitude of resultant vector C. Right? So we have to just add both the vectors and we have to tell the magnitude. See, when we are writing A plus B, this is 3 plus 0 I cap plus this is 6 minus 4 J cap plus minus 2 plus 3 K cap. Let's write down the vector first. This is 3I cap plus 2J cap plus K cap. Now this is the vector C. We have to tell its magnitude. So C, magnitude of C would be 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So 9, 10, 14, right? This is 14, correct. 3I cap plus 2J cap plus K cap magnitude. No, no, Zainab, that is the unit vector which you are telling. Magnitude is just root 14. When you divide these two, that is the unit vector. Okay, class. This is the last question from this unit vectors. Quickly tell me this. This is easy. Let me discuss it. Then you can write down all this. See, subtract to, and same thing. We just have to subtract it here. We just have to subtract H minus I vector. You've told it separately. Okay, okay. You're telling magnitude of C. Where separately you've told Zainab?
First I told the vector and then the magnitude of that vector.
Okay, so you know na, magnitude is just 14. You cannot divide it. Okay. So when you are subtracting, so 2 minus minus 3 I cap plus this is minus 2 plus 4 J cap. Then plus minus 1 minus 0 K cap. So 2 plus 3 is 5 I cap minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 J cap minus K cap. Now when we are calculating this is the vector, when we are calculating the magnitude, this is 5 square plus 4 square plus minus 1 square. So this is 25, right? This is 25 plus we have 16 and see minus 1 when we are adding minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 would be 1. So this becomes 25 plus 16 and this one 42. 42, na? So this would be 42. Write this. Root 30. This answer, no? This wouldn't be root 30. This is 25. This is 16. This is 1. Just text done once you all have completed till here. Okay, yes, Jasleen, right. I have written 4 here. Okay, that would be 2 square you're saying. Correct, right. So if it is 2 square, then that becomes 4 and 30, right. This would be then 30, correct. Because this is 2, so 2 square wheel, right? So 4, 29, 30, correct. Please make the correction. Thank you, Jasleen. Yes, class. So let's just sum up now the parallelogram law. So Cartesian form is completed. Now we are left with the polar form. So parallelograms resultant, we write this, just make it as a note point in your registers when you are writing, so that before you start, you have this information. And tan beta also I have told you, b sine theta divided by a plus b cos theta. So beta will be this. Now how to write beta? See class, whenever you have some tan, sine or any angle value, we write it in form of inverse trigonometric function. Like if I want to find out theta and I know sine theta is half. So my theta will be sine inverse half. Okay. Like I have tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So my theta would be tan inverse 1 by root 3, like this. If I have to write theta here, I'll write tan inverse then 1. If I have theta here, I'll write it as tan inverse 3. So similarly, here we have beta. When you have to find out this beta, it would be tan inverse b sine theta by a plus b cos theta. Fine. Then write down this question. Angle is given 60 degree. One vector is 1. Second vector is 2. Tell me the magnitude of the force first. Write it down first. Write it down. Which part, Zainab? Exam part or the angle part?
The angle part.
Angle, no? See, angle, whenever you have to write the angle, how to write the exact value of angle? So basically, it's like you have sine multiplied to this theta. It's kind of like this only. Just for understanding part, I'm telling. So sine will come in the denominator. And when this sine will go in the numerator, it will become sine inverse. Right? That's why we are writing theta as sine inverse. And then whatever is the term. Tan theta when you have to write. So theta will be tan inverse and then anything. Now understood, Zena?
Yes, ma'am.
Class, are you available tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. IST to 2:30 p.m. IST? Please let me know yes or no in the chat column. 1:30 to 2:30. No, Jobita, other students also, please let me know you're not available. Okay, then Saturday, I'll just have your class. Extra class I'll take on Saturday. Longer class on Saturday. Just last question, Jovita.
Okay.
So see, let us discuss the first step that I have told you. That is completion of the parallelogram. Here we will be getting the resultant. And this would be our angle beta. Now, what all things do we have? One vector F1, this is 1 Newton. F2 is 1 Newton. And F1 is equal to 2 Newton. F2 is equal to 1 Newton. And what is the angle between them? Between them, theta is, okay, you have got 2 root 3, Zenab. Okay, let us see. So the formula for the resultant that we have, resultant's magnitude, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now see, when you put in the values f1 and f2, look here. Firstly, this is f1. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 into cos 60 degree. So this is 1 plus 4 plus 2 into 2 into half. So this is 6, 7, root 7. And beta, if I have chosen this as beta, so this becomes A and other one becomes B. Now let me find out tan beta for the direction. This is the magnitude. Tan beta is B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. B is 1 or 2? 1. So this becomes 1 into sine 60 degree divided by 2 plus 1 into cos 60 degree. So this becomes root 3 by 2 divided by 2 plus half. Right, class? So here we'll be left with root 3 by 2. Here this becomes 5 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 into 2 by 5 to cancel. So look here, our tan beta is equal to root 3 by 5. So beta would be tan inverse root 3 by 5. So magnitude and resultant, this is how you have to calculate. Write it quickly and update me in the chat column.